Check out this 2010 Dodge Charger SRT8. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, automatic headlights, fog lamps, MP3 player and auxiliary audio input. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.